In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animated GIF to Outlook email. If you've ever wanted to give your emails a little extra personality or make a point more visually, an animated GIF is a simple way to do it. Before we jump into Outlook, make sure you have your GIF ready. Download or save the file to your computer from a trusted source like a GIF library or a brand's media kit, and try to keep the file under 1 MB. Smaller files load faster, look smoother to the recipient, and are less likely to get clipped by strict email servers. With your GIF saved, open Outlook and start a new message by clicking New Email. This opens a fresh Compose window where you can add your recipient, subject, and message text. To place the GIF exactly where you want it in the body, click your cursor in that spot, then head up to the ribbon at the top. Click the Insert tab. This is where Outlook keeps tools for adding media and other content to your email. Next, choose Pictures, then select this device. A file browser will appear so you can navigate to the folder where you save your GIF. Click the file once to highlight it, then click Insert. Outlook will place the animated GIF directly into your email body. Don't worry if it doesn't animate immediately in every version of the Compose window. Many versions only show the animation in the received message, not while you're editing. If the GIF feels too big or too small, you can resize it right in the message. Click the image to reveal handles around the corners, then drag a corner inward or outward to adjust the size. Dragging from a corner keeps the proportions intact so the animation doesn't look stretched or blurry. Aim for a size that's easy to see without overwhelming the rest of your content. Keeping the width reasonable also helps maintain a quick load time for your recipients. When everything looks good, finish your message and send the email as you normally would. On the recipient's end, the GIF should animate automatically in most modern email clients and current versions of Outlook. Keep in mind that some older setups may only display the first frame of the animation, which is another reason to choose a GIF that communicates its point clearly even at a glance. That's all there is to it. Save a lightweight GIF, insert it from your device, size it neatly, and send. Thanks for watching.